Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Sherlock to hunt down someone's social media account. It searches across more than 400 platforms, including websites that aren't exactly what we would normally consider social networks, like chess.com, GitHub and TryHackMe. So let's get started. First, let's install Sherlock. Open your terminal and type sudo apt-get update and hit enter. Now type sudo apt-get install pipx. In my case here it's already installed, but just hit enter and let it install if needed. Next, type pipx install sherlock-project. Hit enter again and now Sherlock will be installed. Now, to use Sherlock, all you need to do is to type Sherlock followed by the username you want to search for. For example, you could copy someone's Instagram username and paste it here. Sherlock will then search for that username on other platforms. In my case, I'm using this username I found in a TryHackMe room. Now it's scanning for that username. While it's running, guys, go ahead and hit that like button for this video. If this video gets a lot of likes and comments, I'll bring more OSINT content like this for you. Alright, it's done searching. And now you can just open any of these links directly. Let me open this one on X. And there you go, it found the person's profile on that platform. Some people also change their usernames slightly. For example, here I'm going to change the I to a 1 in the username and run the search again. And now it found all the profiles. Now it found a GitHub account too. And I can open it to check what this is about. Here it is, the user's GitHub profile. When you are dealing with this kind of variation of the same username, you can actually search for multiple usernames at once in Sherlock. For this, you just need to run it like this. Sherlock and then the usernames you are searching for. Guys, one thing to keep in mind. You will notice some platforms are always showing up, right? It's not perfect. Some websites may return false positives, but updates usually fix that over time. For example, this web late one pops up a lot and could be a false positive. So let's check. And yep, it is indeed a false positive. Guys, this username I used is just for testing, so there aren't many results. But if you go to Sherlock's GitHub page here, you will find this file here called data.json. It lists all these platforms Sherlock searches through. Take a look. For your usernames, you'll be surprised with the platforms you find. I've come across some better not say here. But hey, leave a comment and let me know. After using Sherlock, what's the weirdest site you found some user registered on? And hey look, here's one called Pokemon Showdown. Guys, if you like this content, remember to like this video to support the channel, subscribe, turn on notifications, and see you next video.